Is your Vizio TV giving you more headaches than entertainment? It is incredibly frustrating when your screen randomly reboots, loses Wi-Fi, or simply refuses to turn on right in the middle of your favorite show. Don't worry, I am going to show you the top 10 reasons why these sets fail and, more importantly, how you can prevent it from happening to you right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to pull back the curtain on these common hardware issues and help you keep your TV running smooth. Vizio TVs are famous for offering high-end features at a budget price, but that value comes with some engineering trade-offs. Most failures occur because the internal components are pushed to their thermal limits, or the software gets bogged down by heavy updates that the older processors simply can't handle. Let's dive into the reasons and the fixes. Step 1. Overheating mainboards. These are the components that regulate electricity. To protect them, always use a high-quality surge protector instead of plugging directly into the wall. This prevents small power spikes from frying your internal boards. Step 3. Fragile backlight strips. Lower your backlight setting to 70 or 80% in the picture menu to double the lifespan of your screen's illumination. Step 4. Software bloat from updates. If your TV feels sluggish, disconnect it from the Wi-Fi and use a dedicated streaming stick like a Roku or Fire Stick to take the load off the TV's brain. Step 5. Corrupted cache files. Over time, temporary data builds up and causes the black screen of death. Perform a soft power cycle once a month by holding the power button for 15 seconds to clear out the digital junk. Step 6. Loose internal ribbon cables. If you see lines on your screen, a gentle tap on the back of the frame can sometimes confirm if a connection is just loose. Step 7. Static electricity buildup. Step 8. Heavy app usage. Running demanding apps like 4K YouTube directly on the TV creates massive heat. Again, using an external device keeps the TV's internal temperature much lower and prevents board failure. Step 9. Poor solder joints. Budget manufacturing can lead to cold solder joints that crack over time. Avoid moving your TV frequently or mounting it near a heat source like a fireplace, as rapid temperature changes speed up this cracking. Step 10. Wi-Fi module interference. The internal wireless cards are often placed near heat sources. If your Wi-Fi keeps dropping, switch to a wired Ethernet cable for a more stable connection that doesn't stress the wireless chip. Here is a pro tip for Vizio owners. If you want your TV to last 10 years instead of 3, go into the settings and turn off Quick Start mode. Changing this to Eco mode ensures the TV actually shuts down completely when you turn it off, giving the components a chance to cool down and rest. If you face any difficulty with your specific Vizio model, please leave a comment below. I check the comments constantly and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If this guide helped you understand your TV better, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your gear is safe and your screen is clear. I will see you in the next one.